Hi, I'm Tom Scarpello of Revology Cars, and this is car number 47, a 1966 Mustang GT convertible in candy apple red with red interior.
One of the reasons the Mustang was so popular was because you could configure it in so many different ways. You could have a luxury version, you could have a sporty version. There was coupe, convertible, and fastback body styles. There were 4 different engines. So among some of the more desirable options, the GT package really stands out. So the GT package was a high-performance package. It was only available on the top 2 engines. And then visually, you got the fog lamps in the front. It gave you the side stripe that evoked the theme of the Le Mans race cars that Ford was campaigning successfully at the time. It had a GT gas cap. It had a dual exhaust with the tips that exited through the valance. It's a nice option to have. The collectors today really value the GT equipment group, and typically the GT equipped cars had a lot of other options too. Now in the interior, there was a standard interior, and there was they called it the interior decor group or deluxe. A lot of people today call it the pony interior because it has these running horses, the ponies in the seat insert. Of course, ours is either leather or very high quality, modern automotive grade leatherette premium vinyl, and the wood is quarter cut walnut veneer, so it's a real genuine wood veneer. So it keeps the theme, the look of the original, but it obviously the touch, the tactile feel of the materials is very premium and very unlike what was available back in the 60s on Mustang.
Nothing's more American than a red Mustang convertible, and if you gotta have a red Mustang convertible, might as well make it a Revology Mustang convertible. Let's go for a ride.